Well, hello people, how is it going, and welcome back. This is the Mamz-Menz. Thank you guys for always being here. Hope you're doing great today and hope you're having an amazing day. Every day is amazing, right? We should be grateful for that. It's been a while. I'm back with another reaction video, and this is Gabriel Henrique. As you can tell from the title of my video, I'm gonna be reacting to Gabriel Henrique singing Fly Like a Bird. Oh, this is a difficult song because this is from Mariah Carey. But you know, for Gabriel, I think it would be easy for him to sing this song because Gabriel is an amazing singer. You know that. By the way, if you are new here watching my video for the first time, stay here, don't go anywhere. Hope you like and enjoy my video. Let's jump into it right now. This is Gabriel Henrique. Enjoy the video. Alright, let's count down 3, 2, 1 and click. Look at that. Love the expression.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. We know my heart is struggling, free of all retrospects and suffering, because I feel that unconditional love.
Right.
The one who cares enough for me to release my birds and letting me free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high. You by my side, sunlight is life. Can't be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Fly like a bird. Oh my god, he's always stunning. Did you hear the way he went up and down the note? It's really amazing. It's like, yeah, smooth control. Gabriel Henrique.
Ain't no lie. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up.
Dalton. My God. Impossible. How did he do that? Oh, no way. Come on, let's go back. I like that whistle note. From here, right? My man. How did he control that? How did he control that? You know, he switched every technique from belting to whistle note to rip and run to belting again. Oh my god. That was so cool, man. And how did he do that? Oh, Gabriel Henrique. He always, he always makes difficult song more difficult, I think. When he does a whistle note in every song that he covers, it's really boom, it makes us surprised, of course, and we feel amazed. It's so awesome. Mariah Carey will be proud of you, Gabriel Henrique. And this song, Fly Like a Bird, it's full of techniques, full of rendition, expression, and Gabriel killed it. He slayed it, of course. Gabriel Henrique. Alright guys, I think that was my reaction video today. I'm so sorry if I made a mistake. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment how much you love his voice. And catch you later.